Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Pet Treater subscription box. This is the cat box. This is $12.99 a month. There's usually a coupon code for half off. If I can find that, I will put that down below for you guys. This is super inexpensive, and each month they send 2 to 3 toys and 2 treats, or 2 to 3 treats. It's usually about 5 items plus a sticker. It's just a fun way to treat your pet each month without breaking the bank. It's super cute. I love that each month they also include like a little sticker that's really fun and punny. So first we have, oh my gosh. So, oh my goodness, I love it. So this is a tea towel. It says made from scratch. And there's a little cat scratch. And isn't that cute? I love it. I think it's adorable. All right, so next up we have, this is our Crazy Claws Puff Bunny from Sergeant's Hippity Hop Kitty Can't Stop. So this is a little puffy ball that looks like a little bunny. Isn't that cute? Look at his little silly face. Swifty really likes toys like this that are lightweight that she can bat around. She's a batter. Other toys like on strings and stuff she's not so into, but this is super cute. I like it a lot. All right, next we have, this is Billy Cat Supply Cat String Toy Collection. So this is like, oh, are they all connected? This is a connected toy and it has a feather. My kids really enjoy playing with the cat with this sort of a toy because she does not let them come near her. Occasionally she will allow them to play with her, but from afar. And they've got to like tease her with the strings. So that's something. She won't play with this on her own, but with the kids this is perfect. So that's super cool. All right, next we have Jerky Chips. This is from Have Paws. I've never received anything from this brand before. This is Cheeky Chicken, made with real chicken. It's all natural, gluten-free, and grain-free. That's something to keep in mind with this subscription. They always send products that are, they cater to people with allergies. So if your pet has an allergy, they can make that happen, like good things happen for them. Our final item is our sticker. It says Mr. Meows. Isn't that cute? What do you think? This is the first time I ever got home decor in this box, and I'm super pumped. So if you're interested in the full blog review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Pet Treater with my affiliate link. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!